humanity evolved to the point of establishing intergalactic space stations, colonizing planets and moons. With advanced general AI, have contributed to this immeasurable expansion across millions of kilometers.
Monty, I never thought I'd say something like that, but we did it.
Expeditions from different stations near Jupiter, manned by waves of the best explorer groups.
After so long, I still don't believe it.
All this time preparing for this. It's time to prosper.
Very few have the pleasure of setting foot on this beautiful moon for the first time. Collection of evidence under dream landscapes.
Is this a dream? Look at this. It's wonderful. We are the first humans in Europa. Humanity has made history once again.
It seems like an idyllic job for enthusiasts like our explorers, right?
We are not alone.